Welcome to Roam Tips. If you're enjoying this content, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today we're diving into Storm.ca, a website found at https://storm.ca. This online platform offers a wealth of information and resources related to weather forecasting. Users can access detailed predictions for their specific locations, including current conditions, hourly forecasts, and extended outlooks. The website boasts a user-friendly interface that makes navigating its various features a breeze. From radar imagery to severe weather alerts, Storm.ca equips users with the tools they need to stay ahead of changing weather patterns. The site also provides specialized data, such as marine forecasts for boaters and air quality indices for those sensitive to pollutants. Beyond forecasts, Storm.ca offers engaging articles and news stories related to meteorology and climate. These resources provide valuable context and deeper insights into the science behind the weather. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or simply want to know what to expect for your morning commute, Storm.ca serves as a reliable source for all your weather-related needs. It's a comprehensive platform that offers a user-friendly experience, making it a valuable tool for staying informed about weather conditions across Canada. The website's sleek design and intuitive layout contribute to its ease of use, ensuring a seamless experience for visitors. The depth of information available, from hyperlocal forecasts to long-range predictions, makes Storm.ca a one-stop shop for staying weather-aware. So, whether you're a weather enthusiast or simply want to be prepared, be sure to check out Storm.ca at https://storm.ca.